We are pleased to show you the 2019 Infiniti Q50. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.